Morning. Morning. It snowed last night. Ayan. But onti lang naman.
It's already 9.
So today is Saturday and may mga appointments tayo today. I have a physio appointment. Tapos sikat naman may RMT. May physio ako kasi wait lang. You guys hear?
They can't hear it. They can't hear it.
Okay. Yeah, kasi nagka-crack yung knees ko. Every time yeah, just wipe it. But anyways, last week wala kaming vlog at all. Kasi hindi kami nag-vlog. But actually nag-vlog tayo ng isa, hindi na natin na natapos. Yung couch. But anyways, yan. 9 o'clock yung appointment ko. Naka-shorts ako ngayon kasi I feel like it's better kung makikita niya yung knees ko. It's my first physio appointment dun sa physio na yun. I went to a physio appointment last year, pero I didn't like the guy, so I never went back, and then I should have just looked for another one.
Why?
Because I have so many issues. I have so many mobility issues that I'm trying to address right now because we often go work out now, and I don't want to have like a small range of motion tapos mag-workout kami kasi baka mas ma-injure lang ako in the long run. So yeah. And then si Kat nagpa-RMT siya today kasi lagi na sumasakit yung ulo niya from her shoulders. Alam mo, you can go physio too kasi they also do that. Don't I?
Dito na parang ganun lang kung sa tayo nakulalabas pa ganun. You know? You get mo? Like, pagka-drop ko sa'yo sa Tim Hortons, I go this way para diretso. You get it? Or no?
Okay. Sige. I'm so confused. Pero gets ko na ngayon. Anyways, yun nga. The weather has been really weird lately.
Yeah.
Parang, nung Monday ba yun? Tuesday, nag-snow. Tuesday, nag-snow. Tapos, ng Wednesday or Thursday, nag-hail. And then yesterday, nag-hail. And then today, nag-snow. Tapos, naging sunny naman din yesterday. And then, apparently, it's supposed to snow today at 10. Who knows?
Yeah. Oh, ang daming weather, no?
Yeah. Also, Kat is driving today for today's video. May nagkakos. Yes, nagkakos. It's a bird. Because she has to drop me off and then she has to go to her appointment at 9:30. So yeah. Anyways, that's all my updates for this morning. I think I'll update you again later, probably.
Saan yung time?
Dun pa. Sa may park.
Should I turn here?
Kung time na yan. Time na ata. Yeah, time na. Kaya malapit na rin ako sa wait, okay.
Wait, stop siya.
Sa appointment ko sa clinic. Hopefully it's a good one. Because I don't want to keep searching. Laki ng aso. Laki ng aso. Uy.
I know. Slender.
Ano ba yan? Greyhound?
Greyhound, I think.
Uy, dun tayo. Dun tayo.
Na-confuse naman sila.
Okay, so dyan na tayo magpapa-physio. Ayan. Medyo sketchy yung place mo. Hopefully it's not sketchy inside. Alright, so I'm done. And Kat she just started her massage, so I guess I'm just gonna walk there for some exercise. It's only probably like a 30-minute walk, 20-minute walk. So, yeah. So, we are maybe halfway to where Kat is. Just walking outside. It's kind of cold. Probably gonna snow, so. But still sunny. Sunny-ish. Lots of colors. And my hair is still kind of wet from showering earlier, so that was a good one. Nice. Walking on the ulit. Okay, so malapit na tayo. It's a little 10 minutes. And it's sunny. Yeah, it's sunny. All of a sudden, sunny. So weird. So, anyways, tapusin ko naman itong walk. And then, I'll update you pag tapos na sikat. So, andito na tayo sa building ng RMT ni Kat. But, hindi na ako umakyat kasi tatlo yung clinics nila. Hindi ko alam kung alin dun sa tatlo kasi they're all on different floors. So, I don't wanna keep, going to the floors. So, dito na lang ako nagantay sa lobby. Matatapos na rin naman siya kasi 10:22 na. It's only an hour ng RMT and she started at 9:30. So, malapit na rin yun. Mga 8 minutes. So, yeah, dito lang tayo. Hindi ko alam kung magkano yung physio ko kanina. But I only pay $20 because of benefits. Tapos, si Kat, her RMT dito sa pinupuntahan namin, and it's pretty standard, is like $130 plus tax of $136. But that's also covered by benefits. Both of us have benefits. So, yeah, it's pretty good. So, kung maghanap kayo ng mga jobs and may mga job offers kayo, tignan nyo yung benefits din nila kasi ang laki ding relief ng mga nadudulot ng benefits, especially sa stress and sa mga, mobility issues or like headaches or basta anything, even like mental health and stuff because they have, yung mga counseling as part of their benefits. So, tignan nyo lahat yun kasi it's really important. And even better kung ang company ang magka-cover ng cost nun kasi may mga companies na nagka-cover ng cost nun and there's also companies that make you pay but it's only like a little amount for everything that you're getting. So yeah, just those are really important things to consider when looking for a job or accepting offers from jobs. But anyways, naisip ko lang naman. But hintay na tayo uli kay Kat. 6 more minutes. We're here at A&W. Just gonna eat. She doesn't want to be seen on camera, so. Here's mine. Here's Kat's. There you go. Okay, so we're done.
May amoy yung
Ano?
yung labas.
We're done breakfast. Now we're gonna go home. We're gonna go home to get the recycling and load laundry. Tapos magtatapon ako ng basura and then also magbebenta kami ng
Basura.
ng basura also, recycling. Para madagdagan namin ang collection namin ng coins dito sa car. And also para wala nang kalat sa sa balcony. Kasi ang dami naming doon. Dami naming bottles and mga empties.
Oh my god.
Okay, we're gonna drive first. And how was your RMT?
It's good. It's so good. Carmen, if you're watching.
Carmen is not watching.
Carmen, if you're watching. Thank you. Papabalikin niya ako on the 31st. Siguro last week. Basta last week ng March. Kasi sabi niya may hindi daw siya nagawa sa akin. And so, babalik tayo ng end of March doon. You? How was your physio?
Okay lang. Pero, feeling ko magtitingin ako ng bagong physio kasi medyo hindi ko nagustuhan na parang sinabi niya na yung crackings is normal. Siguro, yeah, he said that it was normal, pero I don't know.
Normal.
Parang kasi, like, I just need some advice or maybe guidance kung anong pwede kong gawin. Like, I need to strengthen the muscles around that joint or something, pero wala naman siyang masyadong sinabi. Like, he gave me exercises to do, which is normal for physiotherapists, but he didn't explain to me what was happening and why there were cracking or crackling sounds. And so, yeah, yun kasi yung gusto ko sanang mangyari. But,
Yeah.
whatever, it's okay. We'll look for another one and try again. But,
Yeah.
apparently it's supposed to snow, but it's really sunny.
The calm before the snow.
Yeah, okay, we're gonna drive. See you at home. We're home now. Well, we got to the building. Wala pa kami sa apartment. Alright. We're home now. Ayan. Dito kami natulog kagabi. Kasi tinry namin yung yung sofa bed. Pero medyo magulo here sa living room. Kaya, whatever. Anyways, mag-aano ako ng aming recycling sa labas. And, yeah, mag-aayos tayo ng bahay. Kasi, cleanliness is next to godliness. Is that right? Yeah. Anyways, let's go. You guys wanna watch me? Sure. Mag-aano si Kat, maglo-load siya ng laundry while I'm doing this. Ang dami naming stuff na kailangan anuhin. Actually, alam mo, kanina, naisip ko na hindi ko nalagay sa loob yung tosino. Buti na lang malamig ngayon. Okay, sige, halika na. Mag-ayos tayo sa labas. Medyo malamig. Ito pala, if anyone is in Vancouver and wants to buy this, we'll sell it to you for $40. Pero it's on Marketplace for like $60. So, yeah. Okay, I'm gonna go now. Sige na nga. Kat is judging me na. Wait, there's more here. So, na-empty na namin yan. And then, na-empty na rin namin yung compost dito. And yung recycling namin, nandun na sa labas ng door. So, we are gonna leave. We also have to buy a bunch of things for the house. Like, may Lysol pa ba? May Lysol pa?
Yeah.
Okay, so, ano yung bibili natin?
Conditioner?
Ay, check ko kung may conditioner. Alright. Ito storage namin. Marami kaming stock of things here. Tapos, ayun, may conditioner pa nga. So, we don't need that. May conditioner pa. This one, meron pa. Ano? What else?
Panty liner.
Panty liner. And then, what else?
Scent booster.
Scent booster. Panty liner and scent booster. Try natin Costco para marami yan. Alright. So, yeah. Two 2 baggies ang aming try namin isa. But, yeah, onti lang yun. Mga siguro $3 lang siguro yun. Pero that's good. Good for car wash. Crocs na tayo today. Naming pasa. Look. Pasa. It's from moving that couch. We are now in the car.
We are now in the car.
So, we're gonna do the recycling first. And then, punta din pala kami ng Shoppers. Or kahit saan na may Canada Post. Because, may mga in-order ako sa Amazon na hindi naman nag-workout. So, we're returning it. So, yeah. Gotta drive first. It's so nice out today now. Look. Clear skies. Weird. Okay. Alright, we're here. Bottle exchange. Really small here, unlike sa Alberta. Yan lang yung guys, kala namin $3 lang. We got $7.70. Right, lagyan muna natin dito. We're gonna drive to Costco. We are now at Costco. Ayan, titingin kami ng mga hindi namin afford bilhin. Retail is number 1. Shampoos. Hindi mo gusto? Ay. Okay, sample number 2. Daming tao ngayon, guys. Ito lang bibili namin. At saka yung socks. Ayan.
60.
Oh. Okay, guys. We're home now. Dumaan lang kami dun sa London Drugs because may Canada Post dun. And nag-drop off kami ng mga packages to return to Amazon. And now we're home. We're gonna eat this. Ito yung nabili namin sa Costco. And then, yeah, yan kakainin namin for lunch. Tapos may rice pa kami. So, that's that. And then, mag-ano kami? Liligpit ng slide here. And then, I don't know. We'll see. But, yeah. Kain muna kami. Okay, hi guys. So, right now, we're on our way to Winners. And we're gonna go to Winners. Tignan mo naman yung bolt natin. And wala kaming pakay talaga. Pero close ng gym. So, lakad-lakad lang. Lakad-lakads. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the day.